Okay, welcome back, and let's do another function. This time we are going to do, let's just leave this one, we are going to do an integer return function. So int with small, by the way. String with big, int with small, don't ask why. Give me an int. Return 2. So another super small function. Give me an int, return 2. So now we call this, we get the number 2 back, and we can try and print it. So let me just delete these. Don't want them anymore. So give me an int, and let me just do it like this. Give me an int. See what happens. Nothing happens except that it's printing the same strings that we are starting an end of program. It doesn't give anything. Like before, we need to store it in something. Now let's just first do the simple way. Create integer variable, some integer, and then some integer equals give me an int. Now we're storing it in a variable. So the variable some int store give me an int, and we can print it to see that it's working. When it's working, it's giving back number 2, which is what we did. We returned number 2. Right. What we could do, I don't know if you want to call this complicated, but let's just do it now. Like I said, if you get confused, don't worry about it. It's the right way to feel confused sometimes. So what I'm doing here, I'm replacing, instead of all this creating new variables kind of madness, I'm just going to call the function from a print line. So print line wants to print something, and give me an int wants to return an integer, return 2. So the result is that, just write it beneath, print line is actually just printing 2. So this is the same, and let me just do like this. And when it goes gray, it means that we have had some of these in front of it, the forward slashes, and it's commented out. The program will just skip it, so this won't be run. Only this one. Print line, give me an int, and let's try and run it. And see that it gets back 2. So now we get back 2. 2. Great. And to show you that it didn't run the other one, let me just, now it should run both of them, so it should give 2 and then 2. So now it prints, takes 2 from giving me an int, gives back 2, and then it just prints 2. We can also print, here we can print 9 instead to just show you the difference. So give me an int, gives back 2, and the other one afterwards, print line, prints 9. So that's the return here. This function we just called give me an int. It's an integer return type, yeah, and it returns 2. Great. Yeah, that's it. Yep.